Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you your Instagram account was compromised and how to fix it. So if ever you try to open your Instagram and you see that notification, well, I'm going to show you how to simply fix it one. And it's so easy. All you have to do is to follow my steps here. So first, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Instagram help center compromised. Okay, so you have to be very specific with the word compromise here. This thing should pop up if you think your Instagram account has been hacked. So you have to click this one, and then it will take you to this page right here. Now, what you're going to do is you have to scroll down till you see reset that email address. So you have to scroll down. You can also read some information here, but let's just jump into our main target, and that is to tap this password reset email. Okay, so you have to click this one and you have to tap this Google Chrome as much as possible. Just stay in Google Chrome. Now, what you're going to do next here is you have to simply add your username or your email address. And then after that, tap send login link. So after you tap this, you need to open your email address because they have sent something on your email address. And all you have to do is to click that one in order for you to reset your password. So if you think that your account has been compromised, if you think that someone wants to hack your Instagram or open your Instagram, you can reset your password right away. So tap this reset password here, then click Chrome. And then think of something that is a unique password or strong password as much as possible so that the hacker will not be able to log in or try to log in to your Instagram account. So set a new password here, a strong one, a unique one, and then type it again. And then after that, click reset. So once you have reset your password, when you open your Instagram, it's only you who knows your current password. So basically, that's it. How to fix if your Instagram was compromised. Thank you so much for watching. If you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.